I just received the news this morning that another god brother of ours, Rasananda Prabhu, had passed away, which wasn't unexpected. It's not unexpected if any of Srila Prabhupada's disciples pass away, because most are over 70, some are over 80, and he had been in poor health for quite some time. He's from Canada but lived many years in India. He became an Indian citizen. His secular background was as a medical doctor. I first got to know him quite some time ago when he was living in Surat, and later he moved to Hyderabad, and I would often see him when I was in Hyderabad or Hyderabad area. He was quiet, somewhat reclusive type. He was best known for building many rath carts. He, apart from his medical skills, he was a self-taught engineer and made the first, as far as I know, made the first portable rath carts and built many raths for Jagannath's Rath Yatras in different parts of India. And he even wrote a manual about how to make and maintain such a rath cart. He also studied many Agama Shastras in some detail. He was very concerned about proper standards within ISKCON, and recently, in the last year before he passed away, he published a book on proper kirtan standards. The last time I spoke to him, I urged him to go and live in Mayapur or Vrindavan now that he was elderly and his health was declining. But he said that he had some land in North Telangana and he wanted to start an institute there. And I said that, well, you know, at this age, it's a bit late to be starting anything. Whatever, he didn't heed my request. He's in Srila Prabhupada's care. Nahi kalyana krit kaschid durgating tata gacchati. Lord Krishna says, for one who has done good, my friend, he never comes to evil. He never gets a bad destination. So for sure, Rasananda Prabhu will be in the service of Srila Prabhupada, who he served throughout most of his life. Still, I would recommend for all the devotees, if you can, go and live in Mayapur or Vrindavan. There'll always be something to do. There's always some more work to do. But at some point we have to pass on, and we don't have any choice about that when the time comes. So yes, Srila Prabhupada will definitely protect us. Krishna won't forget our service. But still, that facility is there. Krishna manifests himself as the holy dhams, and we get a better chance for going back to Godhead and thus fulfilling the mission of our human life and fulfilling our discipleship by going back to Godhead from one of the holy dhams. So we remember Rasananda Prabhu, not with distress, inasmuch as we know he had to go on, and he went on throughout his life in Krishna consciousness, and we know there's no loss or diminution for one on this path. And also, I know I'll be going soon, so it won't be long before we should be able to meet up again. Another much better known and very much beloved devotee, Niranjan Swami Maharaj, recently sent out a mail about his poor health and how he's unable to travel now. He needs to rest. We're all going that way. I also feel I have a lot to do. I'm not going to live in a dham just now. I have many things to do. So I pray for the opportunity to spend more time in this world, and especially some books. I want to complete major writing projects, and I want to see Varnashram projects develop, and there are temple projects and so many things. But when it's time to go, it's time to go, and we're in Krishna's hands. So with all respect and love, we offer to Rasananda Prabhu, beautiful name and beautiful life. Hare Krishna.